Important Indian kings and their titles. King Bindusara, Mauryan dynasty. Title Amitraghatta. King Ashoka the Great, Mauryan dynasty. Titles Devanamapiya Priyadarshi, Ashoka. King Hala, Shatavahana dynasty. Title Kavivatsala. King Gautami Putra Shatakarni, Shatavahana dynasty. Title Trisamudra Toye Pitavahana Eka Brahmana Shaka Yavana Pahla Nisudhana Kshatriya Darpana Mardana. King Kanishka, Kushana dynasty. Title Devaputra, Ashoka the Second. King Samudragupta, Gupta dynasty. Title Ashwamedha Parakrama, Kaviraja Napoleon of India. King Chandragupta the Second, Gupta dynasty. Vikramaditya, Parama Bhagavata, Devagupta, Devashri. King Harshavardhana, Pushabhuti or Vardhan dynasty. Title Shiladitya, Sakala Uttara Patheshwara. King Pulkeshi II, Badami Chalukya dynasty. Titles Dakshana Patheshwara, Maharajadhiraja, Parameshwara, Prithvivallabha, Satyashraya. King Mahendra Varman I, Pallava dynasty. Title Vichitrachitta, Chitrakarpuli. King Narsimha Varman I, Pallava dynasty. Title Mahamalla, Vatapi, Kwandin. King Dhruva, Rashtrakuta dynasty. Titles Dhavesha, Shrivallabha, Kalivallabha, Narendra Sena. King Amogha Varshadi I, Rashtrakuta dynasty. Title Nrapatunga, Atishaya Dhavala, Veeranarayana, Shrivallabha, Ratta Martanda. King Vikramaditya VI, Dynasty Kalyani Chalukya. Titles Paramedi Deva, Tribhuvana Malla, Vishnuvardhana, Bittigideva, Faisalas of Dwarasamudra dynasty. Titles Sri Talakaduganda, Mahamandleshwara, Kanchigonda, Chalukya Mani, Mandlika Chudamani, Male Parmal Ganda, Tatpada Padmo Pijayveni. Rajaraja Chola the First, Chola dynasty. Titles Shivapada Shekhara, Cholendra Simha, Mummadi Chola Deva, Jayagonda, Chola Martanda. Rajendra Chola the First, Chola dynasty. Titles Gangaikonda Chola, Kedarakonda Chola, Pandita Chola. Qutbuddin Aibak, Mamluk or Slave dynasty. Title Lak Baksh. King Gyasuddin Balban, dynasty Slave or Gulaman. Title Zille Ilahi. King Alauddin Khilji, Ali Gurship, dynasty Khilji. Title Sikandare Sani, Muhammad bin Tughlaq or Junah Khan, Tughlaq dynasty. Titles Prince of Fakar, Malik Junah Khan, Sher Shah Suri, Sur dynasty. Titles Sher Khan, Sultan of Hindustan. King Akbar the Great, dynasty Mughal. Title Akbar-e-Azam, Zille Ilahi. King Sultan Muhammad Salim, Mughal Empire. Title Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir Badshah Ghazi. King Shabuddin Muhammad Shah Jahan, Mughal Empire. Title Padshah Ghazi Zille Ilahi, Zillullah. King Aurangzeb, Mughal Empire. Title Alamgir Zindapir. King Shivaji Maharaj, dynasty Maratha or Bhonsle. Title Chhatrapati. King Devaraya II, Sangam dynasty. Title Gajabetegara. King Krishna Devaraya, Tuluva dynasty. Titles Andhra Bhoja, Karnataka Ratna Simhasanadishwara, Yavana Rajya Pratishtapanacharya, Kannada Rajya Rama Ramana, Go Brahmana Pratipalaka, Muru Raya Ganda. King Ibrahim Adil Shah II, Bijapur Sultanate. Titles Abla Baba and Jagadguru Badshah. King Lalitaditya Muktapida, dynasty Karkot of Kashmir. Title Alexander of Kashmir.